Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be doing this setup behind me. It's snowing today. I had nothing else to do, so I wanted to do this setup with my dining room table and a complete setup, so you guys will see at the end. But let's get started. Alright, so the colors we're using today are Sangria by Tuftex. I have this in 11, 17, 5, and 24. And then we have, the rest are Sempertex, and I'm using navy blue. I have 5, 11, and 24 inch in all the Sempertex colors. Rosewood, which I double stuffed already with black. I wanted to get like a little matte look, and then I have the Eucalyptus, and I double stuffed this with coffee, also from Sempertex. And I have all these colors in the 5, 11, and 24 inch. And then I'm also going to be using a gold chrome, like the Reflex gold by Sempertex as well. But I'm only going to use those in 5 inches because I want to do the mini clusters of the 5-inch balloons, which I'm also going to show you guys how I make that. But for right now, I'm just about to start making clusters for this setup. And you only need to tie the inside balloon. You don't need to tie the outside, and tie it really close together because I'm going to be constructing the garland piece, or the wall garland, using the necks of the balloon. So you want to pull it really tight so you can use these necks later to tie your clusters together. All right, now that we have our 2 duplex, we're going to make a quad, which is 4 balloons. We're just going to twist these together, and it's going to look something like this. Pulled it too hard. I have very heavy hands. All right, now that we have our second quad, we're going to twist 2 quads together, and this is now a cluster of 8 balloons. I usually go in and twist a few balloons together until it's nice and tight, until both middles meet. All right, and this looks good enough. It looks something like this. And now I'm just going to make a bunch of clusters. All right, guys, so this is an up close of the hook that I use. So this is just regular Scotch painting tape that I got from probably Lowe's or something. And this is the hook. This is what it looks like. I got these off of Amazon. I'm going to try to link them in the description box for you guys. So I put the first layer of tape down. I sprayed this. This is the only glue I had in my house. I bought it from my daughter project or something. So I sprayed it on the tape. Then I put this on top. And then I put another set of tape over top of that to secure it. And I got this glue thing. I got a tip off of, I was watching the video. Someone put a tip under someone. else's video that I was watching for balloons. So that's what I did, and the same thing for this one. Same steps. And I did already tie some fishing line on this, and I put the fishing line, if you can see, between the holes of the hooks. I didn't go over top of it. I feel like when you go over top, sometimes it can slide off like that. So I put it in between so it doesn't go anywhere. So if it even lifts up right here, it's not going to go nowhere because of course, the hook part right there around. So it's not going to go anywhere if you do that. So I did that for that. And that is that. So now I'm going to let this dry. They said let it dry for like an hour. So I'm going to let this dry. Even though I did tape it down, I'm still going to let it dry before I start doing the balloons. All right, guys, so this is the complete look. This is the setup of the table. So this is the colors came from my plate. I got this plate from West M about a year ago. About a year ago. And I got these napkins that this is my first time using them. I bought them for the plate, but I never used them. I ended up getting something from Home Goods. But I got these, they velvet, and they are from, I want to say eFavorite Mart or Tablecloth Factory, but I believe they're from eFavorite Marts. And the plate set is from West M, and so is the glass cups. And then I got these utensils from Target, I believe. And I got this Bismillah sign in the name of Allah. I got this from Amazon. It's actually wood. But this is the complete setup and the theme of everything. That's how everything looks. All right, guys, so I'm back. So I ended up making a change, and I wanted to show you guys what I did. So the gold mini clusters that I made, if you remember, I used 6 quads all together to make those clusters. But as I kept looking at it, they was looking too long for the length and for the shape and the length of the garland, the wall garland. I think on this size, if you're using 6 of them, I'm gonna be doing a wall the balloon wall next week, and I'm gonna still use the 6 because I think it will be fine for a balloon wall. But because this wall garland wasn't so big, I end up taking some of them out. And made 4 of them all together. I just cut some quads off and added to another one. So I end up using like 4 quads. So two clusters that had 4 quads, and then the 2 of them I kept with 5 on it. But I think this one looked better than using the 3 with the 6 quads all together. So let me know what you guys think. If you like this one better, or the one with just the 3 gold minis, or the 4 gold minis. Let me know down below. And please remember to subscribe and like and comment and everything else. Thank you guys for watching.